Morning, Adrian Engine Carbon Clean. Got a lovely Jaguar XF here. This one is a 2010 model, 96,000 on the clock. Now I've been out to the owner of this one a few times with different vehicles. This one only had it a week or two, I guess. It's a recent purchase. Getting us out to get it checked out, get it cleaned up. Running pretty nicely actually. The owner does look after them, does put good fuel in them. Running pretty sweet when we got to this one. Can't comment on the historic though. There's a lot of codes in this for DPF struggling to regenerate in the past, but believe that's probably down to either a combination of a fuel level sensor, where we've cleared the codes away for that, low fuel from the owner, so you've got to keep vehicles typically with a DPF topped up above a quarter of a tank at all times. Is a great rule of thumb, just to make sure they can regenerate when they want to. Did have an initial suspicion on the thermostat on this one. It was only at 83 degrees, could only get it up to about 86-ish. We've been working away at this one now, managed to get it up into the high 90s, so I think the thermostat's probably okay on this one. But yeah, keep the fuel level topped up, keep it nice and warm in terms of coolant, and it should regenerate quite nicely. A few other codes littered through the system. We've cleared all those down, sent those through to the owner. Has got a service coming up in a few thousand mile. Can get those checked again at that point and see if anything are back on. But yes, appears to be running pretty sweet. Nice example of this great vehicle actually.